Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.2, problem number 2. Exercise 12.2, question number 2. A 1.5 meters tall boy is looking at the top of the temple, which is 30 meters in height, from a point at the certain distance. The angle of elevation from his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases from 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. Find the distance he walked towards the temple. Let us see the solution. What information is given in this problem? So here a 1.5 meters tall boy. So like these problems means height and distance problems. First we should take the diagram. From diagram to we need to find what they ask, that one we need to find. So here 1.5 meters tall boy. This is the boy. So here this boy height is 1.5 meters. Looking at the top of the temple means one more, it is, that is temple also there, that temple. The height of the temple is 30 meters. This total height is 30 meters. The temple height is 30 meters high from a point at the certain distance. The angle of elevation of his eye to the top of the crown of the temple increases 30 degrees to 60 degrees as he walks towards the temple. So first observation point from here to he walked. So means some distance he walked. Like this he walked. After that he observed the top of the temple. So it is making 60 degrees angle. First observation point 2, it is making, that is 30 degrees. So this is the base as it is. Now I am taking A, B, C, D. This is E, F. This one I am taking G. Now you can take here. What we need to find here? Find the distance he walked. Means distance between these 2 points we need to find, B and E. So this one we don't know. So how much he walked we don't know. That is X meters we can take. That is X meters. So this total distance is, so the total distance means first observation point to foot of the temple, it is, the total distance is we are taking D meters, we are taking D meters. Now see here, AB equal height of the boy, height of the man, that equal 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. CD equal height of the temple, that equal 30 meters. 30 meters. Distance between, this is, you can take let distance between first observation point means first man, first it is, point to temple, that equal to D meters. That is D meters. Next, that is BC we are taking. That is the BC. BC equal, that is. Next, BE equal distance he walked. The man walked. Distance the man walked equal x meters. x meters. Now here this is the rectangle. Rectangle means ABCG is a rectangle. Rectangle in opposite sides are equal. Means AB equal to GC. So here ABGC is a rectangle. Rectangle means AB equal to CG equal 1.5 meters. So this is 1.5 meters means what about DG? So from figure DG equal to DC minus CG, that equal 30 minus 1.5. 30 to 1.5 we are subtracting means we are getting, that is 28.5 meters we are getting. This value is 28.5 meters. Now we can take this whole triangle. I am taking this whole triangle, ADG triangle. In triangle ADG, angle A equal 30 degrees. Angle A equal 30 degrees means what we can say, this 28.5, that is side opposite to angle 30. This is AG is side adjacent to angle 30. So tan 30 degrees equal opposites by adjacent. So tan 30 value we know, that is 1 by root 3 equal opposite. What is opposite in this triangle? DG is the opposite. DG by, this is AG. Now 1 by root 3 equal DG value is 28.5 by AG. AG value we took here. This is D meters we took. Now we can take the cross multiplication. We are getting D equal 28.5 into root 3. D value we got it 28.5 root 3. Now, but we need to find how much he walked. That BE only we need to find. Now this one we have to take in triangle FDG. Angle F equals 60 degrees. Angle F equals 60 degrees. Same, I am taking tan only. Why? Because here opposite and adjacent only we are taking. Opposite and adjacent, what is trigonometric ratio? That is tan or cot. But always we are using tan only. That's why I took that tan. So tan 60 equal opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 value is root 3 equal opposite. What is opposite? That DG is the opposite by adjacent. Adjacent is FG. That equal root 3 equal 28.5. This is the FG. This is the FG. How we can get? So this total to AF we are subtracting means we can get. So AG minus AF, that equal root 3 equal 28.5 by AG. AG value, this total value is D meters minus AF value we took X. Now you can take the cross multiplication, we can get, so root 3 into D minus X equal 28.5. Now you can multiply X, root 3 into D, root 3D minus root 3 into X, root 3X equal 28.5. Now here I will rub and write here. So here already we know the D value. D value here, how much we got it? From there to you can write it. So root 3 into d value we got here 28.5 into root 3 minus root 3 into x equal 28.5. So root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 into 28.5. This root 3x I'm transposing to right, this is I'm transposing to left. Means this plus becomes minus, means 28.5 minus, that is minus root 3x I'm transposing to right, means plus root 3x. So here 3 into 28.5 minus 28.5. So here for example this is a you have to take, this is 28.5a we are taking, a means this is also a. So 3a minus a, that is 2a we are getting, means 2 into 28.5 equal root 3 into x. Now we can multiply 2 5s are 10, point 2 6 are 2 8 are 16, 1 carries 17, 2 2s are 4, that is 5 equal root 3x. Now this root 3 you can transpose, x equal 57 by root 3. So 57 by root 3. Here we need to take the RF. So what is the RF of root 3? Root 3 only. X equal 57 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3. So we done here RF. RF of root 3 equal root 3 you can write. So x equal 57 into root 3 by root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 3 1 the 3, 3 1 the 3, 2 remained, 3 9 the 27. So x equal 19 root 3 meters. Therefore, distance walked equal x equal 19 root 3 meters. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.